Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your Binance graph. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to come to Binance.com and log in into your account. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now with that out of the way, once you're over here, go on where it says, trade over here and go on spot. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do it for spot, but the method for doing it in other division of trading is also similar. Now once you're over here, wait for some time until the chart loads up. You can choose the crypto which you want from over here. So this is a Bitcoin. Now if I want to change it, what I can do is go on versus time, and it's going to show me the time of the chart over here. And to zoom in over here, I can scroll a bit and it's going to zoom in. If I scroll down, then it's going to zoom out just like this. Alright, scrolling your mouse is going to help you do this. And if you want to see a 15-minute chart, you can click on 15. This is a candlestick chart representing 15 minutes. One candlestick represents what happened in the 15 minute. And if I want 1 hour, I can go on 1, 4 hours, 4. You can click on this arrow over here to choose however much you want. 1 month, 12 hour, 2 hour, 5 minute. Alright, you can choose of how long you want. But if you want to change it to trading view, here's the trading view one. You can click on it and it's going to switch into trading view chart. Alright, it's going to take a bit of time, but it's going to switch to trading view. And if you want to see the depth means the difference between the buying and selling one. You can go on depth and it's going to show you more people are buying right now, it means green, less people are selling right now, red. You can see the depth as well. Just like this over here, I'm going to go on original. You can choose it from over here as well and from over here as well. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your Binance chart. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.